So traders, I've been looking at the markets today, and the markets are about to close. And I wanted this video for you to give you a bit of a warning sign of that we may not be able to do the woodworks yet when it comes to the markets, and there may be a bit of a danger here. I'm going to also be sharing you what's happening with the energy sector as well too. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it. Traders, I've actually just reopened. Last week I opened up a sale just for my list for 90% off to my coaching program. And now I'm actually today, due to getting so many emails, today I'm actually opening up for one more day only, and that's for today only. And then that's it. It's shut down for the rest of this year. So if you want to get access to my coaching program, my full coaching program for 90% off, please email me at haltrader@gmail.com. Email me right now because it is just for today only, and then I'll get you access to that 90% off sale. Again, I ran it last week as a celebration for my son's birthday, but then I've had so many emails asking me about it. But now, okay, due to the man, I'm going to do it for one more day, and then that's it. Once after that, then you're going to miss out. So if you want to get access to my coaching program for 90% off, then email me right now, haltrader@gmail.com. So let's go have a look at the stock market. There's a bit of a warning sign that's happening with the stock market right now, and I don't think we're out of the woodwork yet. And what I mean by that is that by looking at the actual stock market right now, we can see that pretty much today is a bit of a nothing day. But one of the biggest things that actually stops people from when they're actually trading the markets, right? There's a big thing that actually out there that actually stops people from trading well, is that they think a rally in the markets is a complete change in trend, right? And so therefore they see these periods here, right? So they see, oh my goodness, the market's going to, the market's gone up, here we go. And the amateur, and I used to be one of those, right? Because I've had almost 2 decades now of experience in the markets. The amateur was like, oh my goodness, this is it. We're going to start to go to the moon, right? And then guess what? Boom, we knock it back down. And then they rally back up. Oh my goodness, here we go. It's off to the moon. Here we go. And then they think about the rally and then suddenly guess what happens? Oh my goodness. And then suddenly we knock it back down again. And then the rally. So there's a lot of amateurs out there that actually focus on, as we're going down in this downward trend, they think, oh, this is the bottom in the markets because we the rally, and then the market drops on them. They're like, why did that happen? Right? They think, oh, here we go. All right, rally. Okay, and they focus so much on this, and what I call the small picture. The small picture is like, okay, we're getting a rally here, yes, but where are we in the market sentiment? Okay, where are we in the market sentiment? Or what does Jay Bravo say? Send me a mint. That guy's awesome, isn't he? And so they focus on this picture here, but what they don't realize is that, oh, look, we're these pullbacks here is where we're they're just pullbacks, right? Because in a downward trend, we get a downward and then we get a pullback, right? So in these pullbacks, you must ask yourself, like we're getting right now, is this just a pullback in an overall downward trend? Or is the overall sentiment changing in the markets and we're going to start to see some beautiful new highs? Well, if you look at this here, right, what do we have? We had them move up and move down, pull back, move down, pull back, right? So what's probably likely going to happen? What's probably going to happen real soon? We're probably going to see another one of these again, right? Now, we don't know that, so you don't ever want to just go in and say, oh, well, the market looks like it's going to go down and I think it's going to go down, so let me place a trade. Wrong. Do not do that, traders, okay? Do not do that. Smack. Right? See that mouse? Throw it at the window. Put in the pool, flush the pool, right? And then go get a new, and by the time you get a new mouse, the market will be closed, so therefore you can't actually get in. So the whole thing about that, traders, is that when we're looking at this whole the whole thing here is you want to be getting in, even though we're looking at trend analysis here, you want to be getting in on a pattern, right, on a system. A lot of traders just want to be trading all the time. Oh, I want to get in here and I want to buy it here and I want to short here and I want to go long here and I want to go short here and I want to go long here, I want to go long here, I want to go short here and I want to go long here and I want to go short here. No, traders, relax, right? You doing that. What's one of the worst mistakes that most traders make? And I got the t-shirt for it as well, so I'm not talking down at you, I'm talking with you here. Overtrading, right? Why are you overtrading? Because you're trying to make a lot of money. The ironic thing about that is when you try to make a lot of money, guess what happens? You make nothing. Actually, you blow up your account, right? Because you're trying to make money, trying to make money. And so you spend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months trading. And then you blow up your account where someone like me, just over say 1 month, I might take a couple of trades, make some good profits, right? And then the next month I might take a couple of trades, make some good profits. This is the second month. Third month I might have no trades, so there's no trades this month. And then the fourth month over here I might have another couple of good trades, and then the 6th month no trades. So at the end of the 6th month, guess what? My account is up 40%. Your account is down. Is blowing out because of that. See what I'm saying there? So it's not the amount of trades. Stop trying to trade a lot, because you don't need to trade a lot to do really well. It's just the quality of trades, okay? And also understanding what you're doing. And then if you don't have at least the setup you're looking for in the market, which is what I call your foundations, then that's where you need to start. Because it's step 1, we need a setup. Step 2, we need an exit plan. With that setup, where are you taking profit? Where are you getting out for a loss? That's what we need, right? So the setup and exit plan every single time. So we can set it through there, and same for the NASDAQ as well too, traders. Again, we'll get this little bounce through here, but we're not out of the woodworks yet, okay? We're still in this overall big downward trend. Yes, I do believe we're going to see some, and I've been doing videos the last couple of days about a big rally coming very, very, very soon. But that's more like over the next couple of months. And I'm just getting you guys ready for the next couple of months. But right now, this is like short term. What's happening right now? What's the market telling us? And then on what I just said there, what's the market telling us? But remember, as days go by, the market could be saying something now, and then it starts to change the tune of the markets. It may go from a downtrend to an uptrend, or buyers in control, the sellers in control, and stuff like that. Makes sense? So that's what we're seeing through there. I want to show you actually the energy sector as well too. Look at the energy sector. So the energy sector had a very big sort of move up here. This to me, this was actually the blow off top type of move. So we had a blow off top. So I wouldn't be too surprised, since we're seeing this, we may get a little rally. It looks like that whole, this is on the XLE. This is the XLE, the ETF, around that $82 mark. Looks like that's pointing through there. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we rallied back up through there, and then we had some sort of shoulder, head, maybe shoulder formation. That'll be the neckline. And then if you measure the neckline 72 to 92, that's 20. So that'll be 72 down to 52. So that'll be probably the projection. What I did just there, traders, is I'm looking at the 72 being the neckline, and I projected it up to the head up here. So that's the projection. So that's basically $20. All right. So then I measured it down. There's 62 is $10. 52 is $20. So that'll be a $20 projection. So it looks like that if this does start to form out here, this head and shoulder formation, then that's obviously where the target is, around that $52 level on that through there. Just a quick look at the energy sector. And as I was saying before last week, traders, nothing has changed. We're still in a very big we're still in an overall downward trend. Nothing, pretty much a nothing day across the board when it comes to the energy sector. The SIO had a bit of a short-term little upward move. And this is what the market's going to do. And I know a lot of traders did this, right? They go short here when the market's been going down already, which that's a big mistake. And then now this is probably going to pop back up, stop you out, and then it's going to do that, and you're like, oh, the market's rigged, and so on and so forth, all right? So let's go have a look at gold here. Gold is continuing to go sideways, just continuing to go sideways through here. So we're building a basing pattern here, traders, with this one here. If we get something like this with gold, it's not going to be pretty for gold. We're probably going to see something like this happening. So we may get that anyway. I believe there's going to be a bit of a capitulation sort of phase that's going to come. I believe a capitulation phase is going to come in the stock market and the metals and the miners, and then that's going to be the rebuilding phase moving forward. And also moving forward, we can see here that we have same for silver as well too. The exact same thing, right? We're going to move down. We're getting all this sideways movement through here. It's not looking too good. If we do get a strong bar breaking down like that, traders, then that's massively high probability. That's the start of another leg down. And again, I do believe we're likely to get that. This is the short-term basis here, guys, right? Capitulation over the next couple of weeks. And then over the next month or so, we start to rebuild that next really big move to the upside. So I hope this helped you out, traders. And remember, traders, if you want that access to that 90% off sale, email me right now at haltrader@gmail.com, and I'll see you real soon.